Welcome to Fluent English with M I Shah. I am beautiful and write beautifully. Today we are going to learn how to talk about your family in English. This is a very common topic in conversations and interviews and also in self-introductions. So let's begin. Part 1, Basic Vocabulary. Let's start with important vocabulary. Father, mother, brother, sister, husband, wife, son, daughter, uncle, aunt, cousin, nephew, niece. Practice after me. My father's name is Dash. My mother's name is Dash. Part 2, Describe your family. Basic sentence structure. I have a small family. We are 5 members in our family. My father is a businessman. My mother is a homemaker. I have one elder brother and one younger sister. Use of adjectives: supportive, kind, loving, strict, intelligent, caring. Example: my father is a kind and intelligent man. Part 3, Talking about each member. Talk about what they do. My father works in a bank. My mother loves gardening. My sister is a college student. My brother is very funny and helpful. Try to give one detail about each person. Part 4, Expressing your feeling. You can say, I love my family very much. We spend quality time together. Every weekend we go to the park. My family is my strength. My parents always support me. Part 5, Personal example. Hello, I am Shah. I live with my family in London. My father is a retired and my mother is a lovely homemaker. I have 2 sisters. They are very friendly. We love to spend time together. My family gives me a strength and love. I feel proud to have them. Now it's your turn. Write 5 sentences about your family and speak them aloud every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Fluent English with M I Shah. See you in the next video. Keep learning, stay confident. Thank you very much.